I'm UFC Hall of Famer Pat Milicic.
I'm naturopath Doc Will Spencer.
I'm mindset expert Nicholas Spone. If you want to detoxify your cells, remineralize your body, and live up to your true health potential, you've come to the right place.
We are the Cell Saviors. So, Will, when people start the Regen Kit from Cell Saviors, how would they want to alter their diet to maximize the benefits of these components?
My first recommendation always is you got to stop eating and consuming the things that are harming you. Right now, the biggest group that I lump it into is the cereal, grains, nuts, and seeds category.
Breads and pastas.
Breads, pastas, noodles, almonds, walnuts, dry beans, things like that, because they are causing problems. They're loaded with anti-nutrient and phytochemicals that just cause problems.
So seeds and nuts, wait a minute. Everybody's been told across America that seeds and nuts are beneficial. Why are they not beneficial specifically? Specifically, I mean, when we think about it, that's the offspring of the plant, right? So
the baby of
the seed. So they have, and as you've said, I've heard you, I think, say, well, plants can't run away from the predator. So they have to have these ways of protecting themselves. What are those ways?
I can explain that.
Yes, please do.
My 8th grade biology teacher was awesome in explaining that. So the plants cannot run from the predator. And so the plant nature has made it absolutely incredible to replicate the species, which is, I'm saying not to eat the baby of the plant, which is the cereal grain, the nut or the seed, the almond,
the breads, the
pastas, or anything made from them. And so the nature has put in all kinds of chemistry, natural, they call them phytochemicals, into the baby of the plant to protect the species for
so that insects won't eat them?
Insects won't eat them. They don't rot very easily. Or if the predator eats them, it'll cause the demise of the predator eventually.
Okay.
And so some of the demises of the predators that we're seeing are things like diabetes, or digestive disorders, or central nervous system issues, or reproductive problems, things like that. And so when you're wanting to take our supplements, the regeneration kit, to feel better and be better, you want to stop doing things that are going to harm you. And that's the main thing that I tell people. You got to stop eating the babies of the plants.
Okay. So we've established that people do not want to eat the babies of the plants, the seeds, the nuts, or all these things, the breads, the pastas, everything, because of the natural chemicals that the plants put out for their defenses, which would kill an insect, for instance, for eating it, so the insects stay away from them. We're just a little more durable than insects, so we come up with side effects from eating these things. But on top of that, now we add the man-made chemicals that have been coated all over these plants. That's also included the toxins and stuff, correct? So that you can talk a little bit more, like glyphosate blocking nutrients uptake and all the chaos that happens within our bodies because of the synthetic chemicals that are added.
Yeah, the synthetic chemicals in the fertilizers and in the pesticides is an added twist to the toxic issue, because these synthetic chemicals as well cause all kinds of metabolic chaos. For instance, the glyphosates that they use, they don't label it as a pesticide, but they are using the glyphosates as a way to harvest the crop faster, easier. So they basically kill the crop with the Roundup or glyphosate, and then that transfers on through.
It's a quicker drying process too because of that, am I correct?
It's a quicker drying process.
Right.
And then in the wine industry as well, or in the citrus industry, they use the same herbicide to spray the ground to keep the grass and the weeds down in amongst and those pesticide residues travel through the fruits into the food chain as well, and then we consume them, and then they cause us problems.
Thank you for listening to the Cell Saviors podcast. To learn more about the Cell Saviors mission, or to buy the minerals and probiotics your body needs to thrive, visit cellsaviors.org.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before making health decisions.